Okay, quick news for today. SMCI has just released the news that they have finally filed all the document required by the Nasdaq. So now they are fully compliant with the Nasdaq. They have released after hours the press release, which is actually not very fair because I closed my position yesterday because we saw like no news coming. So maybe they're not gonna file on time. Maybe they're gonna delay again for I don't know how many days, and then all the stock will collapse again. Finally, they did it, but I closed my position. After hours, the stock went up by 20%, 22%. So what I did is that because now I know that the downside risk is now pretty much limited to some legal issues, but not very meaningful. I don't think that the stock will go much lower than it is today. So it regained the price limit of about above 50 because $50.50 was really the very strong support level that it broke yesterday, and now it regained that level. Now we are around $55, and I believe that from here we should go to the target of 70. If we reach the target of 70, I will think about closing totally my position, or depending on all the bullishness is about the stock for the next few days or the next few weeks, then maybe it can go back to all-time high, which I don't really think it will. But eventually, maybe it will. Maybe you can take the bet that what the sales estimate of 40 billion next year in 2026 is the reality, and they're going to manage to do that. Then in that case, then I think the stock will go even much higher than the whole-time high, because if they reach the 40 billion sales target, they are trading at half, I say not even one time, but half time their sales number. So which is quite exceptional for a company like this. So I would say if it reaches 70, maybe I stabilize around 70, maybe then I will or keep it for the long term and just see where it goes. I mean, it's a small position, it's not a very big position. I got about 5,000 euro on that trade. Again, when you take speculative trade, you need to really size properly your trade. Okay. Okay, now let's have a look at what the market is saying about the release of the SMCI filing. So you can see obviously on the chart that on the pre-market today, this morning, we are reaching about 57.44, so it's about 26% upside, which is not very surprising, honestly. It's not very surprising. I think it will go back to the 70 level, and then from 70 you see that we are reaching a strong resistance level. But if that level breaks down, actually, if you break through that 70 level, I think the next target will be 90, and everything is there for the stock SMCI to reach that level. So let's see what the news is about. So you see, SMCI Supermicro stock saw 25% after server maker finally filed delay account. What did they say? The auditor is defending the company. You can see the report filed with the Security and Exchange Commission reflected Supermicro financials for the year ended June 30 and fiscal first quarter ended September 30. What they wrote in the report is this: in our opinion, the consolidated financial statement present fairly in all material respect the financial position of the company as of June 30, 2024. BDO, the company auditor, wrote in the filing, adding that the results are in conformity with accounting principles generally accepted in the US. The company is now current with its SEC financial reporting obligation, and Supermicro said in a press release late Tuesday. the company has received correspondence from the Nasdaq staff that the company has regained compliance with the filing requirement and the matter is now closed. Can you believe that? I mean, the auditor is just saying there is no fraud, there is no nothing. So I think there will be a lot of frenzy today about the stock. Short are going to cover the position. A lot of investors that was waiting the release of that report will also jump into the stock. So I think they should have a lot of buy pressure in the coming days. So hopefully NVIDIA earning is going to be good. So that's going to be also a tailwind for micro, super micro. And that's all we can say for the SMCI today. So that's pretty it for the news on SMCI. I think today what we need to watch out as well is after hours there is NVIDIA earning. NVIDIA earning is going to be a complete game change. We're going to see a significant rally into the Nasdaq and the market overall, because there will be like a feel-good factor for the overall market. Or if the earnings are not going too well or be a bit disappointed, then we are going to see the market continue weak and to continue its weakness. So today, don't expect the market to be extremely active because everybody is waiting NVIDIA earning. So I will check later today what will be the pre-market review, and I will release it. I will make it short, so not to make it too long. And we will see after the market the earnings of NVIDIA. I will participate to the call. I will take a lot of notes, make a lot of summary, and then we'll do a specific video on NVIDIA earning. Not today, of course, because I'm in Europe, so I'm actually have a time delay with the New York stock market. So I will probably release it the day after the NVIDIA earning. So we will see where the company is going, and if the AI trade is still open, still alive or not. So I have personally investment in NVIDIA, so I hope that everything is going well. And I hope that everybody is going to have a good trading day. I hope that everybody is going to have a good day. Thank you so much. Don't forget again to like and subscribe. This is to help this young channel. I don't make any money on this channel. This is to share my knowledge and my experience with you on the market. And I hope that we're going to make money together. And thank you so much for liking and for subscribing. Thank you. Bye-bye.